Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change new ringtone with every call you received. So guys, at first go to your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search Ringtone Randomize app. Now select the second one and you have to download this app. Now open the app, tap on allow, now tap on next, again tap on allow, now tap on the plus icon in the left side of corner. So guys, now you have to select the ringtones that you want to use. And after selecting, just tap on add. And guys, now your ringtone will change for every call you received. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.